So guys, let's get this weekly 7 looked at. This is weekly 7 number 33 for Math 7. Okay, here we go. We have a distribution problem. Remember, this 4 needs to get passed out to everything inside. Okay, so we need to multiply. So here we have 4 times 2. That would give me an 8. So we just carry what we have on the back. So it's 8x squared. Here we have 4 times a negative 6. Now, it's important to note that we have a negative 6 because it's not a positive times a positive. And we need to make sure that when we know that 4 times 6 is 24, we need to know that this is also going to be in parentheses, and it's going to be a 24 here. And the x is going to tag along. Okay, and then we have 4 times 15, so it's still positive. And 4 times 15 is going to be 45. Okay, so our final answer, 8x squared minus 24x plus 45. Okay, so let's complete the table below. So we're trying to figure out what we're doing. It looks like we're cutting this in half. From 20 to 10 going this way, we're cutting it in half. Okay, so really it looks like multiply by 2 if we're going from y to x. So here we go. We could go this with 40. Okay, cut this in half, 15. Okay, multiply by 2. Okay, so you can do 280 plus 280. Or you can think about what is 28 and 28. Okay, if you know what that is, you can go ahead and do that. I'm just doing the math out. 8 and 8 is 16. And we would have 560. Okay, if you already knew that, that's fine. You can just go ahead and finish it. Let's take a look at the next one. 3. Tanner can complete 5 push-ups in 20 seconds, assuming he completes them at a constant rate. How many push-ups can he do in 44 seconds? So you really have to think about this, is that he can do, it's a constant rate, which means that he's not going to slow down if he gets tired. It's just saying he can do that many at that rate for 44 seconds. He's not going to get tired at all, and he's going to stay at that same rate. So let's take a look at it, and we can figure out how many push-ups he can do in 44 seconds. So we do know that in 40 seconds, okay, he would be able to do, in 40 seconds, he would be able to do double. So he'd do 10 push-ups, okay? And we need 4 more seconds, okay? So understanding that we're going to have a rate of, let's see, divided by 5, because we're using the 5 here, which is 4. So he's doing 4 push-ups every second. So it would be, let's see, 10 or not 4 push-ups every second, 1 push-up every 4 seconds. So it would be, to do 4 more seconds, he's going to do 1 more push-up. So he's going to have 11 push-ups. Sorry, that one made me think there for a second that I was doing that right. What is the length from point A to point B? Okay, so we have point A to point B. Well, we have to figure out what this radius is here. Okay, we know that the circle is, or this radius is 3 feet. Okay, looks like this radius is 3 feet from here to here. So we know that this piece is 3 feet, so we have to subtract it. So 10 minus 3 is going to be 7. This piece from here to here would be 7 feet. Okay. What is the scale factor going from A to B? Okay, so I'm going from A to B. So you want to go ahead and set up your fraction. and we're putting our new over our original. Okay, so here's our new, here's our original. So we're going to pick the side lengths that are the same and set it up. Now we can simplify this because we know that both can be divided by 2. So our scale factor is 2/3. Okay, here we go. It says find the missing measure. We know that a straight line is 180 degrees. A straight line, you know that's straight, is 180 degrees. Okay, so that means this missing piece, we know 100 of it, that missing piece has to be 80. Okay, and this value and this value are going to be exactly the same, so it's cutting 80 in half. We're going to call that 40. Oh boy, here we go. I got a question. It says the jump. I read jump over here. The letter tiles show a place in a bowl. Okay. Oh my goodness. The letter tiles shown are placed in a bowl. Matt selects one of the tiles from the bowl. What is the probability that Matt will select one of the letters in the word jump? Okay, so how many letters do we have? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 letters, and let's see, 1, we have to make sure those letters are there. Jump are there, okay? So there is 4, okay? So we know that this would be 40%, so it's a 40% chance. Alright guys, that's it. Let me know if you have any questions.